Hello my YouTube family, my name is Suryansh Mishra and I am the son of Guru Prasad Mishra. Today I will be explaining chapter 5 of NSO Olympiad class for 2023 to 2024. So let's start with question 1. Dash is separated from water by a method different from the methods used to separate the other three substances given in the options: sand, sugar, coffee powder, salt. So different is sand as it is removed from water in different methods. So correct option A, sand. Second question, a bottle of coconut water was taken out from a refrigerator and was kept out for some time. The change occurred in coconut oil state is similar to the change in state of matter that takes place when option A, ice cubes are put on a table. Yes, because it melts. A camphor block is burned. No, when burn camphor block it does not melt. Water boils and forms vapors. No, it is evaporating. Ice cream is made from milk. No. So the correct option is option A, ice cubes are put on a table. The given picture here shows the process of freezing. Option A is freezing, option B is melting, option C evaporation, option D condensation. So option B melting, as this candle is melting. Select the correct statement. A bottle of milk has a capacity of 2 liters. Yeah, that's a correct statement. A bag of flour weighs 10 kilograms. Yes, that's correct. The length of a hole is 10 degrees Celsius. No, we measure in meter or centimeter. We don't measure in Celsius. So the correct option and option D is both A and B. Both A and B were correct as we discussed. So correct option is option D, both A and B. Select the correct fifth question. Select the correct option regarding solution. Solute plus solution equal to solvent. No. Solvent plus solution equal to solute. We don't add solution. Solvent minus solute equal to solution. We don't do minus here. Solute plus solvent equal to solution. It's correct. Yeah. So the correct option is option D. Solute plus solvent equal to solution. Question 6. Select the option that arranges objects in descending order of capacity. First is here milk carton, sunscreen tube. Here they have said that sunscreen tube that is 40 ml is bigger than a milk carton that is 1 liter. So this is a wrong statement. So 10 ml test tube, 60 milliliter Coke is bigger, but this is not arranged in descending order. 1 liter milk carton, 60 milliliter Coke bottle, 40 milliliter sunscreen tube, 10 milliliter test tube. As they have arranged this in descending order, it will be the correct answer. So option D is 60 milliliter Coke bottle is smaller than 40 milliliter sunscreen tube. No, they have written the wrong statement here. So correct option is option C, 1 liter milk carton, 60 milliliter Coke bottle, 40 milliliter sunscreen tube, 10 milliliter test tube. The objects in the table are classified on basis of here. These all things float in water. So options are floating array. Please show the book. Floating ability, waterproof nature, heat conductivity, utility. They don't have waterproof nature. Heat conductivity, no. These are not heat. Utility, no. So the correct option is option A, floating ability. Please show the board. Study the given flow chart. Study the given flow chart based on states of matter. Which of these is correct regarding this? So here X, Y and Z we have to tell. Okay. Fixed volume yes. Fixed shape also yes. Water vapor has fixed volume but water vapor does not have fixed shape. So A and B will not be the answer. Plastic container has fixed volume and fixed shape. So let's see why of these both. Fixed shape, no. Water vapor does not have fixed shape. And milk also does not have fixed shape. So now we have to judge in this both. Fixed volume, no. Water vapor, milk. So water vapor does not have any fixed volume as it is a gas. So our correct option is option C, water vapor. The given pictures show particles of the same matter in which picture is the matter coldest. Not this. Not this also. Pause कर लो तो. So A and B will not be the answer as they are flowing. Option C are fixed but solids are ice also. So option D is wrong. So correct option is option C. Study the given flowchart carefully and select the correct option regarding it. Start. Breaks easily, no. Can be stretched easily, yes. A metal key can be placed at box B. No, metal key can't be stretched. So this will be wrong. A glass plate can be placed at box Q. Let's see box Q. No. A glass plate cannot be placed at box Q. No. A piece of chalk can be placed in box A. Yeah, piece of chalk is opaque, so it can be placed. Is opaque material? No. Okay. A coin can be placed at box S. No. No, because they can't be kept because a coin is not opaque. So direction 11 to 12. Refer to the given Venn diagram and answer the following questions. Definite volume. Which letter in the Venn diagram best represents honey? So honey has definite volume and definite weight, but honey does not have definite shape. So correct option will be A. So correct option is option A. Which letter in the Venn diagram best represents glass jar? Okay. Glass jar has definite shape, definite weight. So correct option will be option C. Please pause the video. X changes to Y when it is cooled down. Select the correct option about the arrangement of molecules in X and Y. So X is fixed and Y is not fixed. This will not be the option. X changes to Y. These are same. So this can't be. Option B. Right. No. X changed to Y, but Y is the same. So option C, yeah, it's correct. Option D, no. They are the same. So correct option is option C. Select the correct statement about the separation technique shown in the picture. Salt from water can be removed using this method. No. No. Different method. Not this method. This method is used to separate soluble substances from liquid. No. Not soluble. Insoluble. Okay. Sand is removed with this method. Okay. Stones from sand can be separated using this method. No. Stones do not dissolve in water. First of all, this method first requires sedimentation. Yeah, decantation first requires sedimentation. So correct option is option D. Decantation first requires sedimentation. Select the option that on unscrambling gives the name of a material that does not conduct electricity. Aluminium. Pause. Copper. C is iron. D is rubber. Rubber does not produce electricity. So correct option is option D, rubber. The Grivian graph shows the distance between the particles in three samples P, Q and R having water in different states of matter. Which of the following will not have X? Fixed shape only, fixed shape and volume. Fixed shape and volume P will not have. Fixed shape only R will not have. So correct option is option B, RP. 4 different types of matter are put into the syringes as seen in before diagram and after diagram. The opening of each syringe is then covered tightly and the piston is pushed as hard as possible. The results for each syringe are shown in the after diagrams. Which will have the turmeric powder? Syringe W? No. Likely they will not have. Diagram X, yes. Diagram X will have. Diagram Y will not have. Diagram Z will not have. So correct option is option B, syringe and diagram X. Identify X, Y, Z, B, Q, R, S and T and select the correct statement. Naphthalene ball change state to state Z by the process of T, whereas water in state X changes to ice cubes by the process of B. Yeah, that's true. Naphthalene balls will change into state of Z by process of T, whereas water in state X changes to ice cubes by the process of P. Yeah, that's true. Ice cubes change to state Y by the process of Q, whereas water in state Z changes to steam by the process R. Butter changes to state Z by the process of R, whereas water changes to state Y by the process both A and C. See, B and C are wrong. Both A and C can't be the answer. So correct option will be option A. Naphthalene balls change to state Z by the process of T, whereas water in state X changes to ice cubes by the process of P. Refer to the given diagram. Which of the following can be X, Y and Z? X can be perfume, yeah. X can be not oxygen. Y can't be milk. Z can't be paper. Okay. X can't be camphor. Y can be ice. Z can be coconut oil, but perfume. X can be perfume, yeah. Y can be camphor, yes. And Z can be mustard oil. So C is correct. So in option D they have given air. Yeah, X can be air. Y can be ketchup, no. Z can be rubber, no. So correct option is option C, perfume, camphor, mustard oil. Achin conducted an experiment to find out the amount of light that passed through 3 different materials: a clear plastic sheet, a cardboard, and a piece of tracing paper. All the materials have the same thickness. He shone a torch on the 3 materials and used a light sensor to measure how much light has passed through each of them. Which of the following graphs most likely shows the amount of light that has passed through each material? No, not this, because it's not the graph how the light would have passed. Tracing paper, not like this. Can't happen. Yeah, it's like this. Tracing paper, cardboard and clear plastic sheet are like this. So correct option is option C. Clear plastic paper like this, tracing paper like this, cardboard like this. Option D, cardboard, tracing paper, clear plastic sheet. No, here will be a clear, here there will be clear plastic sheet. These two will be interchanged. So thank you for watching and bye.